In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect interactive brokers to share a chart. First things first, you want to open up the share a chart application, and inside you want to click on global settings. From here, look for the setting called data dash trade service setting, and this window will show up. Now this is really important because this is where we'll be able to enter our credentials for interactive brokers. Click on the current selected service, and then this window will show up. Look for the interactive brokers, and from there, after clicking on the box right here, additional options will show up, where you simply have to make sure that your server address and port is correct and everything inside this specific server. Now, as of the moment, the only thing available on Share a Chart is going to be the interactive brokers trading. There's going to be a lot more options available on the future, but from here you then want to click on the apply all button, and from there you will be able to connect to your interactive brokers account. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.